Yeah. Very nice. Yeah, may as well. The next one coming up is, again, we have the man of honor right here. Philippa Chapman Todd. Yeah, that's nice. Look at that. Yeah. Right there. Yeah, okay. Work the crowd a little bit. Don't stare at me. That's it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, very nice.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. No, she has a weapon. It's cool. Don't point the weapons. Not good.
Yeah, don't get shot because then you have to feed.
Yes, exactly. We don't need that. Yeah. Find that. Work it. Very nice. Good.
Right.
Okay. That's it. Maybe let's ask her how she can option to get it.
Okay.
Okay, break it up.
Easy now. It's all print here. All print here.
Okay, settle. Oh, that's good. That feels good.
So how did you get your costume together?
She's in character, just leave her.
Yeah. I want to talk about your costume. Can you talk?
Chris, take the chair. Defend yourself.
I'm good. All right, girls. I'm going to talk about. Okay. If this is Todd, I'm Todd. Come here, honey. Here we go. My Todd is looking great today. We worked very hard on this costume. Now, we talked earlier today about the hair. What we use in the hair? Absolutely nothing. It's just pure. Fantastic. Now, the fingers. This is good. We've got, I'll tell you, whenever I'm doing Todd, sometimes we forget to put the fingers on. So we've got two here we don't have to worry about forgetting. That's perfect. And the teeth, you should see these teeth. They're incredible. You can't even speak with the teeth. You have to do voiceover. We've even got a little Todd chin.
I'm also a dentist. Let me take a picture of that. That is absolutely hideous. No offense.
Fantastic. All right. Bring it on for Todd.
Todd. Absolutely. Okay, we're getting there. We're number 8. We have 11. This is number 8. So far, how good has it been? Really, I mean, very impressive. God, it was bright when you put a costume on and come out here. That was so good. Okay, number 8 is Gina and Maddie. Oh, God. Very nice. Okay, that is a dog's breakfast. Ryan, I don't know who played that character, might have been me.
Oh.
That is good. That is very creative. Very fantastic. I was a little thrown at first because I was thinking more Stargate, and I'm like, what that? And then I'm like, kicked in. And that is excellent. Tell us a bit about it.
Can I ask how come she's lit up without being plugged in? Batteries, my friend. She has her own power. My power in my pocket too.
Tell us about the costume.
It's just basic overalls and as many Christmas lights as I get my hand.
Okay. Yeah, okay, the shoes are very much a match for the shoes. Yeah, that's pretty much them. You probably stole them from me, that's fine. That's very nice. Okay, and how did you feel playing David Hewlett? What was the worst part of it? Tell me. Besides the breath, I mean.
Trying to drag your heavy ass, seriously.
Trying to drag my heavy ass here. It's very nice. And the costumes are perfect, and you just watch the movie and like try to match things up?
Yeah, definitely.
Have you seen A Dog's Breakfast?
Yes!
Very creative. Very A dog to breakfast. Love it, Tina and Maddie. Very creative. Okay, number 9. 3 left, the last 3. And you have to be good because we've got some good costumes out here. You're going to perform, let's see what happens. Number 9 is Addie Peeps, the Kindred Tailor. Okay, very nice. Very, very nice. Okay. Have you all seen this episode?
Of course!
Love it. How did you prepare for this particular character? Very nice. Right there. Let's hear it for her. My question is, how long ago did you know you'd be coming to this convention for that to take place, so you knew you'd be part of this costume?
I bought the ticket nearly a year ago. I didn't actually necessarily intend to be pregnant here. As I a week ago, I just thought, I've got a bum. It's too good an opportunity to pass up. Pregnant again.
Very nice. Very creative. And you know what? I champion you for that. It's fantastic. Tell us about the costume a little bit.
This bit I managed to sew, which I'm incredibly amazed at because I cannot sew. I've never sewn anything more than a hem. This cost £1 from the market. These cost £3.99 from a cheap clothes shop. And the wigs are Gucci.
And the wig?
And the wigs from the market. The wigs from the...
The fruit market? What market?
The market in Leeds.
The market in Leeds. All of this whole costume from under £6. Absolutely beautiful, creative, and pregnant, priceless. Congratulations. Taylor. Ellen Keats, the Kindred. Beautiful.
That wig's better than the one she had in the first season.
Yes, I think it is, actually. Yeah. Okay, number 10. 2 left. Number 10. Catherine Bly, Sora of the Jedi. Oh, yeah. Remember her. Yeah. Work the room, work the room. James has a couple questions. Get over here, Sora.
Okay, first of all, where's your knife?
She doesn't wear one as a present girl, she pretends to be good. I'm pretending I'm all innocent and sweet, you see. I'm not trying to kill everybody.
Alright. And... Wow. Okay, so you were like before, when she was... I was gonna...
Same way she's really good.
Hi.
So you did red hair, so did you dye your hair red?
No, I have red hair.
Hi, that's perfect.
Yes. I've only been there 5 years.
Yeah, I remember. Big knife fight she had.
Yes.
James choreographed that night fight with her.
Did I? Thank you. Yeah, I can't remember. That was the first season.
Did you make the corset?
I did not make the corset, no.
Did you make this? Did you make any of it? Did you make the boots? What?
I did.
She makes the boots work.
Well, the cobalt.
That's lovely. You don't even need it anymore. What do you think?
Yes, very great. We look like we're alive. It's very simple, it's like a Jedi thing, and we never know if there's weapons concealed anywhere.
Exactly.
Very nice, very naughty, if I don't mind saying. And quite frankly, I love a redhead. Very, very nice. Let's hear it for her. Sora, Catherine Bly, Sora of the Jedi. Very nice. Okay,